Making a fruit chart is a great way to showcase a variety of fruits in a visually appealing and nutritious way. Here are the steps to make a fruit chart at home. Choose a variety of fruits. Start by selecting a variety of fruits that are in season and readily available. Some good options include strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, kiwis, oranges, grapes, pineapples, mangoes, and bananas. Wash and prepare the fruits. Wash all the fruits thoroughly and pat them dry. Cut the fruits into bite-sized pieces or slices. For example, you can slice the bananas, cut the pineapple into cubes, and cut the kiwis into thin slices. Arrange the fruits on a plate. Take a large plate or platter and arrange the fruits on it in an attractive manner. You can arrange the fruits in a pattern or just randomly. Add some garnish. You can add some extra garnish to the fruit chart to make it even more visually appealing. Some good options include mint leaves, edible flowers, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Serve and enjoy. Once you have arranged the fruit chart to your liking, it's ready to serve. You can enjoy it as a healthy snack or serve it as a dessert after a meal. Remember to store any leftover fruits properly in the refrigerator to ensure they stay fresh.